everyone, my name is Noah from Modify Clothing, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own graphic t-shirt in just a few minutes using materials you can find around your house. Alright guys, so for today's DIY, you're just going to need a few basic items you can find around the house. You'll need some cling wrap, or otherwise called shrink wrap, some parchment paper or wax paper. You're going to need your printed out picture. I already cut mine out, but you have to cut yours out on your own. And a t-shirt, I just chose an old one that I don't normally wear. And finally, an iron. And I suggest using an ironing board, but you can use other places to iron. So the picture I chose here is a graphic I made in a program, but really the creative process is completely up to you. Choose whatever you want. But the first step you're going to want to do is lay out the picture you chose on top of the shirt you're going to iron it on. And after you've found the exact spot that you want to place it, which I already have done here, you want to take a pen and just lightly mark some reference points so that you don't lose your place when you're going to iron it on later. As you can see, I've made some small dots in the corners to show exactly where I want to put this. And now I want to move to the next step. So the next step here is to take a piece of shrink wrap or cling wrap and lay it down over the shirt that you're going to be ironing it onto. Now I have my picture here for a reference, and what you're going to want to do is lay your picture face down on the shrink wrap and then fold the shrink wrap so that it covers the entirety of the picture. The main goal here is to make sure that you have no gaps or any holes in the shrink wrap behind the picture. We want to make sure that it's a full cover over the entire of the back. That way we can make sure that it seals evenly and properly to the shirt. There we'll have everything covered and no holes should be shown. So the last step that we have here is pretty easy. Now I've placed my sealed picture face up back on the shirt. And the last thing I'm going to do is take a piece of our parchment paper, which I've already pre-cut here, and just cover it over the image. After I do that, I'm going to be taking my iron, which I've already preheated here, and evenly going over the picture for 5 minutes total. You're going to want to set a timer. I already have one going. But the main goal is that you want to evenly press down all corners of the image and slowly go every part of it until those 5 minutes are up. And I'm ironing on high. That's the setting that I recommend you do it on to make sure that it seals the best way possible. So once your 5 minutes are up, you can remove the iron. Now, I'll probably shut that off just for safety reasons. But once it's fully done, you're going to want to start to peel from a corner and peel fairly quickly so that it doesn't get too stuck to the paper and it doesn't peel off with the parchment paper. But after you've peeled off your parchment paper, you'll have a finished product. And there will be a little bit of bubbling and some stickiness on it at first, but that is just so you can give it some time to set. Once this sets, this is completely machine washable and ready to wear. So there you have it, everyone, a completely finished brand new graphic t-shirt that you made on your own. That's completely machine washable and ready to wear, all using products you can find in your house. Thanks for watching and follow for more DIYs. Make sure to comment below if you made something yourself so I can see it, and share with your friends who think they might find this useful. Thanks. Goodbye.